Alright y'all, welcome back. Remember the big turbo install? We're about to drive it. Move my seat up. Alright, I know y'all ain't gonna be able to see me much, but y'all will be able to maybe see my face a little bit. Alright, we're in drive. Also, don't forget frequency intelligence exhaust that I did. Boost logic down pipe. EcuTech tune, Pure 800. It's Pure 800, right?
Yeah, Pure 800.
I thought it was fast before when he just had a JB4. Man, woo. I can't wait till we get the TCU tune on it. That we get ready to do a heat exchanger also on the car, so that's coming. So that's even more power. We only got it on 20% verbal right now. Also, y'all probably can't see it, maybe you can, but he has the steering wheel with the RPM on it, so that's pretty dope. Finna take it out to a straightaway, try to get maybe a good little pull from 20 to maybe 80. We'll see what we can get. Okay, he ran the stoplight. Alright, we're at 20. That's first gear. That's 100 already. And even with the upgrade, y'all, it barely breaks traction. I hit from a 20 and had a small cut, and that was it. And it was right back on it. Like more power than my Stinger makes. And it hooks up way better. Alright. Alright, we finna do a 40 roll. Try to get down to a 40. Alright, 40 roll. 40 roll. That's 100 already. Woo. Man, I'm feeling like Will Smith. I've got to get me one of these. Alright, man, if you sell it for that Skyline, just let me know first. Let me know first.
R34 coming.
He wants R34, so. Let's see, can we get a 60 roll in? No matter what roll you hit it from, maybe I have to race another car to really see, you know, how well does it perform in each roll. But each roll feels the same. It really feels no different. The power comes on like that, and it's just there. And when the rear end just feels so planted. Like coming from my rear wheel drive Stinger to this, two different worlds. Two different worlds. Like, man, I hit it in my Stinger and I feel like I'm floating in the rear end to about 45, 50. But this just hooks up and goes. I'll leave it a manual for some sounds for y'all for the video. We'll just roll third back into the neighborhood. Do gotta be mindful where I'm at, cause these cops down here don't play. This turn? Yeah. All right, we're gonna give y'all one more before we go park it. Wake up. It ain't that late. Popcorn. Alright, closing the valves. Take it out of sport, we're out of manual. And creeping to a slow creep. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I want to give a big shout out to my boy Alan the Gambler. I'll link his IG, so y'all go and follow him and follow the build of his Mark 5 891.